My phone started giving me reminders for things I never planned. I started getting reminders on my phone for things I never scheduled. And at first, I thought it was just a sync issue or some app glitch. But they kept coming at random times with titles that felt too specific to ignore. Like, don't sit in the third chair, or leave 5 minutes early. And every time I followed one of them, something small but real would happen. Like the chair I avoided breaking later that day, or the bus I left early for getting into a delay. And after a while, it stopped feeling like coincidence and started feeling like guidance. So I began relying on them, trusting them more than my own plans. Until one morning I woke up to a reminder that didn't fit the pattern. It simply said, do not open the red folder at 2:15 p.m. And I didn't even know what red folder it was talking about until I got to work and saw it sitting on my desk, placed right in the center, like it had been waiting for me. And all day I kept checking the time, watching it get closer to 2:15, telling myself I wouldn't open it, that I would just ignore it like it said. But when the moment came, and the clock hit exactly 2:15, my phone buzzed again with a new reminder that said, now open it. And I just stood there staring at the folder, trying to understand why the instructions had changed, trying to decide which one I was supposed to follow, because for the first time, they didn't agree with each other.